question is, pretend you're an experienced trader who has $50,000 and has only ever traded spot. How long would it take you to make $3 million? Well, I would say that this question likely comes from a very, very good place. However, without any battle-tested strategy, there is no path forward that will lead you to $3 million. In fact, it will only lead you to $0 if you do not have an actual strategy that has been back-tested, forwards tested, and then slowly ramped up in real time with a real account. That is the best way to actually get to where you want. That may take some time. In fact, that can take a very, very long time. Now, if you're an inexperienced guy, I think that the best place to start is to not trade any money. Save all that $50,000 as a good, nice starting point, but save it for when you actually have gone through the real work of backtesting a strategy and then proving to yourself that it actually can work. If you can do that, then it will be worth putting some of that money at risk. And I would suggest that in this particular case, if the goal is to make $3 million as fast as possible, forget about that for a while. Forget about that for a while until you have that first step in place. Then slowly ramp your way up there, because realistically, the biggest impediment that I see to people really making consistent money over a long period of time, whether it be 3 million, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, whatever the fuck, is that they give away, they unnecessarily put at risk that precious starting equity, in your case, $50,000. Before they've actually earned the skill. Because if you have not earned the skill, your expected value will always be zero over time. Yes, you can have winning trades here and there, absolutely, and you naturally will. But over time, the more and more trades that you take, the more and more likely your account's value will trend towards zero.